Session 23. The Amusement Park.
What time are we meeting David and Karen tomorrow?
We're meeting at 9 a.m. It is a 1-hour drive to the amusement park and we have to pick up one more person.
Who are we picking up?
A guy who works with David. His name is James. I've not met him, but David says that he's good fun.
I'm looking forward to going on some roller coaster rides. I haven't been on one for years. What's your favourite ride?
I quite like the waltzers and the nemesis. Any rides that throw you around, really. I'm not fond of ghost trains, though.
Why don't you like ghost trains? Are you scared of them?
No, I'm not scared of them. They are too slow and the effects are awful. I would rather spend my time waiting in a queue for a big fast ride than go on a ghost train.
I once went into a horror house.
What's a horror house?
It's like a fun house. You walk around, but instead of moving stairs and ball pools, there are people dressed up as characters from horror films.
What do they do?
They jump out at you, they chase you. You'll be walking down a dark corridor with eerie music playing, and someone will touch your head or something will brush past your legs.
That does sound scary. I hope that they have one of those at the amusement park.